Climb inside the 2013 Toyota Land Cruiser. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, a headlight cleaning system, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.